All right, today we're gonna bring something that I wanted to try for quite a while, and I found out that they do have this available online, so you could buy and purchase it. Now, I like Turkey. The country has beautiful places to visit, the culture, their drinks, and so forth. So when I talk about drinks, coffee, Turkish coffee. So I wanted to try this. I'm not gonna travel the country out there, but I want to bring that culture to me. So I'm going to try this cup of coffee and see how it tastes. So let's go ahead and try it out. So when you get this, it does have its own measuring cup here. You guys can see that. So I really like this, and I'm going to use this little cup for a lot more. So this is one serving for coffee. So here we go. Put this coffee down here. One. That should be enough. And look at the color. And it smells so beautiful. I just the taste. It smells like mixture of coffee, herbs. And it looks like more chocolatey, but we're just gonna try one scoop. See how dark it gets. If we need more, you could, depending on your taste. So all right, so we got our boiling water here out of the actual pot. Let's store some up in there. Look how milky it looks. Fill it up all the way to the top. Look at that. Mix it around. I'm gonna mix it around, let it simmer for a bit. So what I like to do is mix it up, make sure all the grains are getting all the taste. Look at that beautiful color. It looks like it already has this built-in cream color. Look at that. And I didn't add anything. Pretty much, it's not a dark coffee. It's more like a lighter coffee. So mix it around. Then put the filter on. Filter goes on. Lid. Push all the way down the coffee. And that's it. So I like to do this twice. Just make sure I don't have any grains on the top. Push it down. Get the coffee down. There we go. Let's pour some on. Turkish, they spill all the way to the top, down. Look at that. Let's have a taste without anything. Let's see how it tastes. So, trying it for the first time, it's a little hot. It's like smoky flavor, herbs. It smells great. It's not as strong as the coffee in some places like Brazil or Costa Rica, but it smells smooth. It tastes smooth too. So try it out. All right, so I just look at this creamy color. I'm gonna give you a little bit more feedback of what I taste after for a while. So I tasted more herbs, very, very mild. It's not as strong as you taste a black bean. It's very mild. So it's one of the most mild coffee I ever taste. Light coffee. I don't know. I have to find out if it's gonna kick in, meaning that the caffeine is gonna be stronger. But overall, I like light coffee like this. I like to taste the coffee. I don't like the bitter taste, this is great. It doesn't have none of those. Very light, mild for me. This is something I enjoy. So hope you guys enjoy the video.